We now propose visiting the Forum of Augustus. The Temple of Mars Avenger takes up a large proportion of the Forum itself. Behind the temple, there's a high wall to protect the civic area from fire in the populous neighborhood of Subura. From this point of view, we can see the pediment with its decoration. We have reconstructed it with this bas-relief, which is now in a museum in Rome. In the center, we can see Mars Avenger. One other important thing in this forum is the equestrian statue of Augustus in the middle of the space. If I come close to the statue in bronze, we can read the inscription Pater Patriae. It means that Augustus protects the citizens of the Roman Empire. After Augustus, most emperors will have this title. From the center of the forum, where we're now, we have a good view of the Temple of Mars, the Roman god of war, which dominates on a high podium. It's one of the biggest temples of Rome, and we can better see its height with the character placed near its columns. These columns are 17 meters high, and the capitals are 2 meters high. To save time, we will use a shortcut for going just behind this character. From here, upstairs, we have a good perspective on the decoration of marble colonnades on both sides of the central area. There are shields with Jupiter Ammon and the caryatids. Now, let's go under the portico. Porticos included columns, pavements of colored marble, statues, and 2 exedras. Here was probably the location of the urban magisterial activity, but it was also used for educational purposes. If I click on the floor, you can see how the pavement is preserved now, and we have enough information to reconstruct the marble of the portico and of the exedra. At the end of the portico, there is the Hall of Colossus, where there was a statue of Augustus, 12 meters high. We know the size of this statue because we have found the imprint of its foot in its base, and because we have found a part of its hand now preserved in the Museum of Rome.